Today we are going to learn how to remove acne from the face. Please like and subscribe the channel for more such videos.
Duplicate the image 2 times. Hide the top image. Select the middle image, right-click Convert to Smart Object.
Go to Filter Noise, Medium Set Radius, according to your image. Select the middle image and create Solid Layer. Make sure hue and saturation is 0, and brightness is 50%. Blending mode is Overlay. Go to Filter Noise, Add Noise and click on Convert to Smart Object and Amount 8 Uniform Monochromatic. Go to Filter Blur, Gaussian Blur, Radius 1.5. Unhide the top image, Blending mode, Vivid Light. Go to Filter, Other, High Pass 1.4. Select the top 3 layer and group them with Ctrl-G. Go to FX and Blending Options. Press Alt and click on the slider to split and drag it. Do the same with other side. Create a layer mask, invert it with Ctrl-I. Go to Brush, Flow 30% and Foreground Color White. Now paint the image.